Hey lovely people, Coupon and Crystal here with the Walmart's Ibotta Haul. Guys, we've got 19 rebates to talk about. I got some new items and I got some food. Now, before we jump into the video, guys, we must do one shout out. Let's shout out Omar. Omar decided to use my referral code for Ibotta, and I appreciate you so very much. All right, let's jump into these rebates, guys, because we got to get these bonuses, get that Ibotta money. All right, so the first rebate I did, guys, was on the Dewies. Yes, this is the Dewies Bakery. They are soft batch cookies. I got the chocolate chip and I got the lemon bar cookies. And the great thing about these is that they were priced $3.38 in my Walmart. I actually had peelies attached to the actual cookies. They weren't on the chocolate chip, they were on the lemon ones, but I took two so I could have $1 for each one. So the cost for 2 bags was $6.76. The two $1 peelies came off, making my cost in store be $4.76. There is a buy one, get one rebate from Ibotta, giving me back $3.99, guys, making the final cost for the Dewies 77 cents for the 2 bags. That is a great deal. The next rebate I did, guys, was on the Cool Whip. The Cool Whip was priced $1.84 in my Walmart. Didn't have a coupon, so I had to pay $1.84 in store. There is a 50 cents Ibotta rebate, making the final cost $1.34 for the Cool Whip. Yes, come through Cool Whip, because I'm going to use that tonight on my cheesecake. The next rebate I did, guys, was on the Arnold Country Style Butter Bread. Yes, this bread is made with Land O'Lakes butter, so you know it's got to taste good. It was priced $2.98 in my Walmart. I did not have a coupon, so I had to pay $2.98 in store. There is a $1.25 Ibotta rebate, making the final cost $1.73. Next rebate I did was on the Oreo Funfetti Frosting. I finally found it in a Walmart, okay? This was priced $1.82 in my store. I did not have a coupon, so I had to pay $1.82 in store. There is a 25 cents Ibotta rebate, making the final cost $1.57 for the Funfetti Oreo Frosting. That's a tongue twister. Now, of course, I had to get the Funfetti Oreo cake mix, okay? It was on the shelf for $2.24, but it actually rang up for $1.82, so that was great. And didn't have a coupon, of course, so I had to pay $1.82 in store. Same thing, 25 cents Ibotta rebate. Final cost $1.57. Next rebate I did, guys, was on the Dow Body Wash. The Dow Body Wash is priced $3.98 in my Walmart. I decided to get two for a total of $7.96 because I have a buy one get one free coupon that's going to be in this coming Sunday, 3/7 save, okay? The coupon did beep, said that the coupon was not valid, okay? Probably because I'm using it early, but don't tell nobody. Okay? So, she called the manager over. He pushed it through, making me pay in store $3.98 for the two because they took one off. All right. So, there is a $1 Ibotta rebate coming back for each one. $2 coming back to me for the Dow Body Wash, making the final cost $1.98 for the 2 Dow Body Wash. Next rebate I did was on the Persil, guys. $4.94 in my Walmart. There is a $2 coupon coming for this coming Sunday. I got my coupons early, so I used that $2 coupon. So I had to pay $2.94 in store. There is a $1.50 Ibotta rebate, making the final cost $1.44 for the Persil. Great deal. Next rebate was on the CLR Sports Stain, $3.24 in my Walmart. No coupon did I have, so I had to pay $3.24 in store. Now there are 2 rebates that are attaching to this deal, guys. If you don't want to let both of them go through, then unclip it, okay? But I'm gonna let both go through. There is a $1.50 and there is a $1 rebate that attaches to the CLR. making for a great deal. You're getting back $2.50, making the final cost after the Ibotta rebates 74 cents for this product. The next rebate I did was on the Jergens Original Lotion, okay? $3.48 in my Walmart. There is an insert coupon for this lotion, but I actually used my printable from coupons.com because it was handy for $1.50 off, making the cost in store $1.98. $1 Ibotta rebate, making the final cost 98 cents for the Jergens Lotion 10 ounce. Next little rebate I did was on the Snickers Candy Bar. Since for the Snickers, no coupon, so I had to pay 88 cents in store. There is a 50-cent Ibotta rebate, making the final cost 33 cents for the Snickers. There is also a any candy rebate that I have that attached to this, giving me another 10 cents, making it even cheaper, 23 cents for my Snickers. Next little product I got, I think it's Dewies, the little yogurt. And this one is a French style yogurt. It's peach. See, it's got the little peaches on the bottom. I think that's pretty different. Okay, it was priced $1.34 in my Walmart. I didn't have a coupon. Well, there is a coupon, but you're gonna have to buy more. And Crystal didn't want to do that, okay? So I paid $1.34 in store. There is a 25 cents Ibotta rebate, making the final cost $1.04. There is a insert coupon available for this product, but you will have to purchase more because I think in the coupon it's making you buy like 4, I think. Crystal didn't want to do that, okay? Next thing I did, guys, was the Skintimate. I did the Skintimate again. It's $5.97 in my Walmart. I used that $3 coupons.com coupon. Yes, there is a insert coupon, but I used what I had in my book. It was handy. I paid $2.97 in store, guys. There is a $2 Ibotta rebate coming back, making the final cost for the Skintimate disposable razors only 97 cents. Had to get my little Fruitella again. It's $2.28 in my Walmart. Didn't have a coupon, so I had to pay $2.28 in store. There is a $1 Ibotta rebate, making the final cost for the Fruitella $1.28. These things are tasty. I told you that before. Next rebate, guys, was on the Morton Season All. It is $1.48 in my Walmart. I didn't have a coupon, so I had to pay $1.48 in store. There is a 50 cents Ibotta rebate, making the final cost 98 cents for the season all. Next rebate I did, guys, was on the Kraft Mac and Cheese, guys. This is a great cheap rebate for you to do. It's 98 cents. Didn't have a coupon, so I paid 98 cents in store. There's a 20 cents Ibotta rebate, making the final cost for the Kraft Mac and Cheese only 78 cents. Next rebate, guys, I got some more. It's the Annie's this time. White cheddar, shells and white cheddar. Now this one was $1, all right? No coupon did I have, so I had to pay $1 in store. There is a 20-cent Ibotta rebate for this one, making the cost only 80 cents for the Annie's white cheddar mac and cheese shells, okay? Next rebate was the Mentos gum, all right? This is priced $3.12 in my Walmart. Didn't have a coupon, so I had to pay $3.12. But the great thing about it is I'm getting 75 cents back from my Ibotta, and I'm getting 88 cents back from Shopkick, okay? Which is great. You're gonna scan it in store, it's gonna give you a few kicks, and then when you upload your receipt, it's gonna give you a few more. Make it for a great deal, dropping it down to $1.48 for the Mentos gum. That is a great deal, I feel, guys. Now, I also had a any item, okay, for 25 cents rebate that attached to all this great product. Amazing. For the total of everything, guys. Now, I did this in 2 trips, okay? I went to Walmart before I went to work, and then I went to Walmart on my lunch. Yeah, my husband says I have an addiction. Could be. What you think? I love getting free stuff, okay? Now, the total of everything, guys. Of course, I paid for this with Ibotta money as usual, okay? That's how I can manage to go Ibotta shopping so much, because I'm just using the same money, rolling it over. All right. $51.89 for all this product, guys. Yes, I had $12.48 in coupons, dropping my costs down to $34.41. Now, let me tell you what I got back from Ibotta. 2 trips. Total of the trips was $18.99 in rebates. That is amazing. Then let's talk about the bonuses. I got $11.75 back in bonuses, guys. I accomplished so much today. I did my $1 weekend warrior bonus for completing 10 rebates, guys. I completed my $10 money March bonus. Yes, hunty. And I completed my March level 1 bonus, which gave me a whopping 50 cents for 40 rebates. And I got a 25 cents bonus for purchasing the Pillsbury Funfetti products. Gave me an additional quarter. All right. Then I got back my 88 cents from Shopkick, dropping my cost all the way down to $7.79. That is amazing, guys. I got a total of 19 items, making the cost per item only 41 cents. You got to love Ibotta. All right, lovely people, that is it for today's haul. I hope it was helpful for you. I hope you will have some rebates that you will be able to do this weekend to get those bonuses completed. Yes. Make sure that you get a copy of the Google documents that is in the description box of the video to help you guys with your shopping trip. Screenshot it on your phone if you need to, in case you don't have reception when you get in your Walmart. All right. Now, if this video was helpful for you, please give Couponing Crystal a thumbs up. All right. And if you are not a member of the Coupon crew, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button, hit that bell for notifications so you will know when we come on here and do coupon chit chats and lives and hauls like this, so you will be in the know about the couponing. And really want to hit that bell for notifications so you will see when I post in the community tab, because I've been posting in the community tab quite often, and I know at least 2 or 3 times this week, because I've showed you guys as soon as I seen on coupons.com new printables. Go print. I've been telling you guys to go and print. Those high value coupons have $3 Shea Moisture on there. Got a Dove coupon on there. So I want you guys to make sure that you are not missing those coupons. Coupon and Crystal's always checking. I'm always checking coupons.com, guys. Coupons.com and Ibotta and Shopkick. I live on those sites, okay? I'm just saying, I can't help it. I might be addicted, okay? But it's all right. This is not a costly addiction. Let us know in the comments below if you guys are addicted to couponing. Maybe I'm not alone in this. All right, guys, that's it. Remember, click to save and you will be amazed. Bye-bye.